Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to add bullet points in Google Slides on your iPhone or any Android device that you own. It is the same for both the devices, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to add bullet points in your Google Slide presentation. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Google Slides app on your phone or your device. Now simply open the presentation where you want to add the bullet points. Now in here, simply click on your presentation once and a pop-up will say come up saying edit slides. Simply click on it, and after that you can simply click on the plus icon and go to the text option that is on the second one, and in here you will find different types of options right here, and if you scroll or if you move your fingers right over here, you will see the bullet points appear right here. You can type anything over here. I will simply type right and click on return, and a bullet point will appear right there. As you can see, I have zoomed in to let you see it better. Start typing and each new line will automatically become a bullet point. You can also adjust bullet point style, size and indications from the same menu, and that's it guys. Now your text is neatly organized with bullet points, making your slide more readable and professional. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe and comment which bullet style you like the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.